Hey crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about knitting abbreviation Approx. Approx stands for approximately. So you may be asked to leave a tail approximately a certain length, and you can use your traditional sewing tape measure. You can use a ruler. You can use one of these awesome bracelets that I sell that are inch and half an inch marks in various sizes. You can use that. You can use your fingers, for instance. I know that my thumb and my pinky are approximately 7 inches. So when measuring something out, I'll be like, okay, well, that's approximately that, and make a tail or leave enough tail. You might be asked to knit a length of approximately something, or, any one of those kind of situations. Just know that approximately, it's not a very strict measure, but an approximation. When leaving tails, though, for like weaving in, for sewing pieces together at the end of your project, I would recommend to always leave approximately 2 to 3, maybe 4, it depends how big the project is, but more inches, centimeters, whatever, more length than the pattern calls for. So that's it. That is an abbreviation, Approx, which stands for approximately.